Cordial greeting, apreciado tutor. My name is Angie Stephanie Mora Morales. Script 5. I want do you think our company so are you specifically among our poll candidates? So, I think one skill sense I have involves my background in education. Teachers are among the highest stress professionals in the workplace. And this company offers a number of products that help alleviate stress by getting people outdoors. And teachers have a lot of downtime in the summers. My findings is a warmth, silence the drops and avant in the company high be able market the services and products this company offers. Thank you, tutor.